Hi guys, and welcome back to askNK. Today I would like to share a little something that I found on the internet. It is an animal photo art reference website where you can find a couple of references, especially if you're into sculpting or maybe you're into let's say grooming and all that stuff. Then maybe this website will be a very worthy resource for you. And what happens here is directly on this website you can definitely select any of these animals that you want and go ahead and take a look. So let's say we pick a cattle, for example, and hit the search. You will be able to see free non-commercial images that you can use. You might not see a lot, but for the ones that you are looking at, you can see that the image size is good enough for you to actually take a look at references, right? So let's say you're into sculpting stuff, you may want to come through to this website and take a look. And it does not just end for references alone. If you want to, let's say, sculpt the head of something, for all of the animals that you're going to find here, they have a skull, a 3D model for all of the skulls that you can actually take a look at. So just in case, I would go ahead and select something like a lion and hit search. And there you can see we'll also have various images of lions that you can take reference from. So for the alligator head that we selected earlier, or for the crocodile head that we selected earlier, you can also see how much details you can look at, especially if you're doing anatomy of a character or something. I think it's going to make sense if you are into things like this. So I would like you guys to come through, take a peek here, see maybe if there is a model or maybe there's a reference that works for you or that can actually solve a certain need for you today. But then for the link, I would put the GitHub link in the description, so just in case you want to get this, you would find it way easier to locate this website. So tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section below. I think this is a very good step in the right direction, especially for people that would maybe do things like grooming and also sculpting or posing characters. I think this would be very handy for you guys. So tell me what you think about this in the comment section below. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Hit the like button, turn on notification. And if you're new here, it's going to be amazing if you can just hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update or the next tutorial. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial update, Free Friday, Tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.